Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make coconut marshmallow spiders. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Halloween is coming up, and I wanted to make something that's equal parts adorable and creepy. Maybe unequal parts, depending on how you feel about spiders. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own coconut marshmallow spiders, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used some dark chocolate melting wafers, some pretzel sticks, some sweetened shredded coconut, some red and green food coloring, some regular-sized marshmallows, and some candy eyes. I'm not giving precise ingredients for this because it just depends on how many spiders you want to make, so you're going to have to adjust accordingly. I also used a sheet of SilPat, a cutting board, a food processor, and some kitchen shears. Okay, let's make some spiders. Break some pretzel sticks in half. You'll need 3 or 4 pretzels for each spider. Melt the wafers according to the directions on the package, then dip the non-broken end of a pretzel stick into the melted chocolate, allow the excess to drain, and place it on the lined cutting board. Once all of the pretzels are dipped, place them in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes to set. Place equal amounts of red and green food coloring into a food processor. Add 1/4 cup of coconut to the food processor and blitz until the coconut is evenly colored. The red and green mix together to make kind of a brownish gray color. Very spidery. Cut a marshmallow in half crossways with kitchen shears or a knife. Cut all around the sides of the marshmallow about 1/3 of the way in. The legs are going to go in this slit. Remove the pretzels from the refrigerator, then dip a marshmallow half in the melted chocolate, drain the excess, and place it on the lined cutting board. Dip the undipped ends of 2 pretzels into the melted chocolate, drain the excess, and press them into opposite sides of the dipped marshmallow, inserting them into the slit that you cut. Repeat until your spider has 6 legs. If you insist on arachnological accuracy, feel free to add 2 more legs. I think 6 looks better. Kind of like how Mickey Mouse only has 4 digits per hand. Take your complaints to Walt. Add the eyes. 2 is cute, more is creepy. You do you. Sprinkle some coconut over the spider, allowing it to adhere to the melted chocolate. Press small amounts of coconut into any bare spots, or don't and have a scraggly spider with bald patches. Creepy. Continue until you've made as many spiders as you want, then place them in the refrigerator for a few minutes to set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. I'm really happy with the way these turned out. The marshmallow gives a springy sweetness, and the coconut and pretzels add their own different kind of crunch. You get the richness of the chocolate, and that kick of salt just kind of brings it all together. If you want to make something cute and creepy that'll be perfect for any Halloween party, you really ought to try these. Allow the excess to drain and place it on the... Place equal amounts of red and green food coloring into... Continue as...